Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to fix the problem of we're having trouble setting up Facebook in English United Kingdom at the moment. You can try again or use Facebook in English US for now. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so this is a relatively common problem with Facebook on mobile devices. Now, a lot of it is to do with the way the Facebook app works and the caching and all that kind of stuff, and also to do with the geolocation. So if you're using Facebook in a certain country and you have your phone set up with that particular country's version of English or whichever language in use, then sometimes you can experience this problem due to the way the app works or if it's been updated, that kind of thing. So the actual problem that comes up is we're having trouble setting up Facebook in English. Now you can substitute the next bit where it says English United Kingdom for pretty much any language where there's any differences. So basically you get the option to have a slightly different language in your Facebook app, which can be a real pain because obviously when it tries to do corrections for things like colour or colour in the UK and the American version, it is different and some spellings are completely different, so it can be a problem. So the way to get around this, or the way to fix it, there's two things you can try. Now the first thing you can try is if you go to your device, on the Facebook app, click and hold on the Facebook app, and this is mostly for Android users. Obviously if you're a iPhone user, then you can go into the app slightly different. I will be doing an app update for this for iPhone users, so click on the link up here if you want to see that. But basically click it on the app until you get app info come up. When you've got app info, you've got the options for storage. Click on storage and then you've got the options for clear storage, which removes pretty much all data, and also clear the app's cache. So first of all, try clearing the cache. That's a good place to start. So click on clear cache and you should find that your cache size is then dropped to 0 bytes. So that's all good. Then you can close down that part, go back into Facebook and see if it loads properly. If it loads properly, great, that's it, you're done, you don't need to do any more. But if you're still getting the message saying they're having trouble setting up Facebook in English, United Kingdom, etc., etc., then what you'll need to do is go back into the app settings. So again, press and hold on the Facebook app until you get app settings, and then back into storage, and then go in and press clear storage. Now you press clear storage, it'll say delete app data. Now all of the app's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So obviously when you do this, you will have to log back into the app after. So click OK, and then you should find that your user data also has gone to 0B or 0 bytes. So again, we can close that down, go back to the Facebook app, click on it and open up, and it will open with a new set of parameters. Now you can click on the login, and then you can choose your account, log back in, and everything should be absolutely fine. Now this has worked for me. I've tried it a few different times and it has worked every single time. Obviously if it doesn't work, then please leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll do my best to help you out if I can. So that's been how to fix we're having trouble with setting up Facebook in English United Kingdom at the moment. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video, or maybe on Facebook. Thanks for watching.